Hello friends, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing good. So you can see in front of me we have some papaya and some mango, and today we are going to make this papaya mango halwa. If you don't have mango you can make papaya halwa. If you don't have papaya you can make a mango halwa. It works pretty much with everything. So what I've done with this, I've taken some peeled mango and papaya, and I pretty much microwave them for three minutes, which is actually good because it will be easier to blend them and it's easier to cook them. So they are pretty much like soft now. So now what I'm going to do is that I have a blender with me over here, so I'm going to put all of them into blender, and I'm going to blend them. Okay, sorry about that. So let's put everything here. I was holding camera, so I could not able to focus. I could not see that. Our blender is quite long. So I'm putting the mangoes and papaya inside it. You can see that here, and I'm going to blend it now. So after blending I'm going to put this into pot. So let's blend it first. So now I'm going to blend it. So let's blend it a bit. Okay, power it on. Okay, probably you need to put some water. Even I will be putting some small amount of water because you can see that the blending can be hard. So friends, I have this blended papaya and mango inside this jar, and now I'm going to pour it into pot. And as you can see that the pot is hot and I've already put some ghee into it. You can also use butter, but I prefer ghee while making halwa. So I'm going to pour this into it. So put your papaya or mango or both inside it, and now we need to cook. So we have to cook for some time, and we also will be also putting like cardamom as well as sugar as per your taste into it later. But first you need to cook this thing for at least 10 minutes, and once you see that that the ghee will be coming out of this mix, it means that it will be done. It's pretty much cooked. So let's cook it for at least 10 minutes. So friends, now you can see that this thing is cooking, and I'm going to put some cardamom into it, which is going to add some flavor into it. And some people also put like corn flour and custard into it to that will turn it into more like a jelly. You can do that if you want, and you can also put like dry fruits into it. That will also enhance the taste of this entire halwa, but probably I will be not putting dry fruit into it. And you can use jaggery or sugar, whatever suits you. I prefer jaggery, so I'm going to put some jaggery into it. And yeah, so let's keep cooking right now. This is so friends, you can see that I have put some jaggery into it. If you want, you can put sugar into it or whatever suits you. If you if you don't like sugar, you can even put some sweetener into it. That is just fine, and it tastes good even with that also. But pretty much our most of the ingredients are inside the halwa. We just need to cook it, and then it will be ready to eat. So we are almost done with our halwa. It is we still need to cook it for some time, and once it will be cooked, it will be ready to eat. So thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video, and tune in for more content. Follow me on social media. See you soon in the next video. Thank you so much.